Uh, Good morning, Professor. My name is Akshay Srinivasan and I am from Group 10. Our project presentation subject is based on decision rules and action rules discovery. And my part here is that I would have explaining on actionable and action rules. So, in the data mining literature, the actionability has been quantified in terms of unexpectedness. So, for example, the most of the actionable knowledge is unexpected, the most of unexpected knowledge is actionable. So, if we can calculate a rule's actionability in the same way that we can actually calculate support and confidence, we can determine whether our rule is unexpected and interesting. So now we can define a rule as actionable if a user can do an action to his or her advantage based on that rule. Their notion of actionability is too vague and leaves the door open to a number of different interpretations. Actionability has been expressed in terms of attributes that are present in the database. They have introduced a new class of rules called action rules that are constructed from certain pairs of association rules extracted from the database. In order to construct action rules, it is required that attributes in a database are divided into two groups. They are stable and flexible. Flexible attributes are used in a decision rule as a tool for making hints to a user what changes within some of their values are needed to reclassify a group of objects from one decision class to another one. There are two strategies for generating action rules are presented. The first one is implemented as systemdir, which is also called as DR1 algorithm, generates action rules from certain pairs of association rules. The second one is implemented as systemdir2, which is based on tree structure that partitions the set of rules having the same decision value into equivalence classes, each labeled by the values of stable attributes. Two rules belong to the same equivalent class if values of these stable attributes are not conflicting each other. So for every action rule there lies a cost. So usually there is a cost associated with carrying out some kind of an action. As an example, relocating an employee from one city to another. Declassifying the employee from one division to another may incur moving cost as well as normal cost. The employee's negative emotions about it may influence his or her future performance or perception of our organization. An action rule is classified based on the cost, and the cost is sum of all the cost that is equivalent to the cost of the left hand side of the rule is equal to the cost of the right hand side. Questions on the action and actionable rules. So, what are the two attributes that are required in a database to construct action rules? The answer is stable and flexible. Thank you.